Good day. This is our first video on decimal fractions divide. We will show you three methods how you can divide 0.23 by 2 to get this answer without using a calculator. First, we'll do it using long division. You must make sure that your divisor, the thing you are going to divide by, is a whole number. In other words, there is no comma in it. In the next video, this number will have a comma in it, and we'll explain to you what to do then. In long division, we write our answer at the top. So the first thing we do is we take this comma and write it in the answer right there. Now we do a normal division sum. We say 2 goes into 0, 0 times. Then we say 2 goes into 2 once, which we write up here. Then we go 1 times 2 equals 2, which we write underneath this 2. Then you minus this 2 from that 2, then you get a 0. Then we bring this 3 down next to this 0. Then we start again. 2 goes into 3 once. 1 times 2 gives us a 2, which we write underneath the 3. Then we minus the 2 from the 3. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Now we have to bring down the next number, but there is no number here. And in decimals, you're allowed to put in extra noughts here, as many as you want. Because there is a number now, I can bring this number down. Then we have a 10 down here. So then we say 2 goes into 10 5 times. Then we go 5 times 2 gives us a 10, which we write underneath this 10. You minus the 10 from the other 10, you have a 0. The moment you have a 0, you are finished. Then there is your final answer. And you write it in. Please stop the video and get your brain around this. Remember, the same sum can also be done with short division using one of these two ways of writing. The first thing you do is you put your comma in your answer. You say 2 goes into 0, 0 times. Then you say 2 goes into 2 once, which you write up here. And then there's nothing left. You say 2 goes into 3 once. Then there's 1 remaining that we carry. We need extra numbers here. In decimal fractions, you're allowed to put in noughts here, as many as you want. So you'll have a 10 here now. So you'll say 2 goes into 10 5 times, and there's nothing left. And we have the same answer again. You also write your divide line the other way around. Now put your comma in your answer on this side. You say 2 goes into 0, 0 times. Then you say 2 goes into 2 once, which you write down here. There's nothing remaining. 2 goes into 3 once, with 1 remaining. We carry the 1. Then we add in noughts, as many as we want. Then you say 2 goes into 10 5 times. There's no remainder, so the answer stops here. That is the answer we wanted. Please stop the video and get your brain around all three of these ways of writing. You'll need different ones in different situations. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If you run into a decimal fraction division problem that you can't solve, please send a clear WhatsApp picture of your problem to this number and a clear WhatsApp picture of where you tried it. We will try and solve the problem and send back an answer as soon as possible. Enjoy decimal fractions.